Hey there, and welcome to my community. Thank you so much for clicking on my link, telling me that you're interested in embroidery or starting an embroidery business or adding embroidery to what you already do. My name is Zelina Cassandra, and I'm not going to hold you, okay? I'm going to make this really quick, easy, and simple for you. My gift is to help you make your passion your profit through embroidery, if that's what you want. There are a lot of other things that I offer so that you can have multiple streams of income, but I want to talk specifically about embroidery. Behind me, you see you're in my shop right now, and I have two commercial embroidery machines. I started off with a tabletop small embroidery machine, but we're going to get into that. Now, here's the thing. You want to make money as quick as possible, right? That's why you're here. Okay. I'm all about my coins. And one thing about me is I do not like to waste time. So I want to help you create what you want with your embroidery business and create an extra stream of income within 60 days as quickly as possible. I really want you selling your first item within the first 30 days. But the thing is, I know you don't know where to start. You don't know where to buy your supplies. You don't even have a machine, or you just getting your machine and you don't know what to do next, or you don't know how to make the designs. You don't know how to digitalize. You don't know how to make these things out of leather or these hats that you've been seeing me make. Well, that's what I'm here for. I want to explain to you step by step, okay? Custom 101 personalized training just for you, because that's what I needed. Okay. I didn't want to get on no group call where I had to wait for weeks to get my question answered. I want to be able to talk directly to my coach and say, hey, can you tell me exactly how to make this patch? Or can you tell me what I'm doing wrong? I wanted that. And so that's what I'm going to give to you, because my goal is to get you to where you need to be to make your passion your profit, because that is what this is all about. We are all trying to succeed. And whatever I know, with all the mistakes that I've made, it's my job to teach you and coach you so you don't have to do all the things that I did. So I'm going to help you avoid a lot of the mistakes that I went through. Okay. So what I do is I'm going to teach you embroidery techniques. I'm going to teach you what fabrics to buy, what strings to purchase. And I'm, like I said, I want to teach you step by step how to do that. So I have created items for people that are walking the red carpet, all the way to local businesses, from doctor offices, Texaco gas stations, sports teams, schools, hospitals, all of those things. So once you are able to begin embroidering, it's easy to go get that business, because everywhere you look, I know you know somebody who could use embroidery, or they're going to pass your card off to the, oh, well, we're having a church conference, or, oh, we're getting ready to do this. Can you make us some bags? Can you make us some hats? Can you make us some shoes? Did you know you can embroider on shoes? Right. So these are the things I want to be able to tell you and teach you: where to get your blanks, what's the best quality, how to price that item, how do you ship your items, can you do all this from your house, do you have a website, how I can help you create those things so that once you have the product, you know how to make money. So if you are interested in me teaching you one-on-one, it's going to be a 90-day program. I hope that you sell your first item before the 90 days, but I'm going to be with you step by step for 90 days for this program. So if this is something you're interested in that I can help you with, click the link below to set up a call with me, only if you're serious though. Okay. So if you're serious, let's talk and let me help you get started, because I want to be what I needed. And I will tell you, the Bible states that your gift will make room for you. And trust me, if you are second guessing yourself, now is the time for you to do this. Okay. I'm the person. That's exactly why you met me. This is exactly why I'm going to get to know you. And I want to personalize your training for you. Again, this ain't no Zoom call. This is you being able to have access to me to get your questions answered. And I also offer a one-on-one come train with me as well, if you're a hands-on person like I am. Okay. So let's talk. Click the link and I'll see you later. I'm Zelina.